Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to welcome you all together to celebrate World Animal Day. Every year on 4 October, we observe this day to highlight the importance of animal rights and welfare. It encourages us to reflect on our duty to protect and care for animals that share our planet, reminding us of their invaluable support which help in maintaining the balance of nature. Today, we not just celebrate our pets, but all living creatures and reaffirm our commitment to ensure their well-being.
History of World Animal Day. World Animal Day was first established in 1931 during a convention of ecologists in Florence, Italy. Since then, it has grown into a worldwide movement that aims to raise awareness about the plight of animals and to promote compassion and respect for all living beings. This day reminds us of the importance of protecting our environment and the creatures that share it with us.
Why celebrate World Animal Day? Animals are an integral part of our planet's ecosystem, helping in maintaining the balance of nature. By ensuring their welfare and advocating for their rights, we can help ensure a brighter future for the generations to come. Additionally, by providing kindness and compassion towards animals, we can have a ripple effect by inspiring others to do the same.
There are plenty of ways to get involved in World Animal Day and make a difference in the lives of animals. You can volunteer at local shelter or donate at wildlife conservation organization or simply spend some quality time with your pets. Every small act of kindness can have a great impact on the world around us.
Welcome everyone to our group discussion in this special occasion of World Animal Day. Today we are joined by a diverse group of voices, each representing different aspects of the animal world. Our goal is to understand the importance of animal welfare and how we can work together to protect and respect these creatures. Let's hear from our animal representatives who will share their unique perspective on human-animal interactions and the roles they play in our lives. First, let's hear from Max, our loyal canine companion.
Hey, I'm Max. Dogs love companionship. When humans play with us, it creates joy, it strengthens our bond.
I'm Viscous. While I enjoy to spend my time with my humans, I also need my own time, respecting that help us coexist happily.
I am Leo. As a lion, I am often misunderstood. People fear me without knowing my role in the ecosystem. We need respect, not fear.
I'm Tango. We birds thrive for interaction. Human needs to provide us with our social needs and provide us with mental stimulation.
Hi, I'm Sarah, a zookeeper. Understanding animal behavior is the key. By doing so, we can create an environment that promotes health and happiness.
Hi, I'm Clara, an animal activist. Advocating for animal essential, we must ensure that all animals are treated ethically and with respect.
Hi, I'm Emma, a vet. Healthcare is crucial for every animal, but it's equally important to educate humans about their proper care. It helps in improving their quality of life.
Hi, I'm Sophie, a conservationist. Supporting conservation efforts is vital for promoting wildlife and their habitats. Remember, every action counts. As we conclude this meaningful discussion, let us reflect on the importance of our shared responsibility towards animals. By fostering respect, empathy and action, we can ensure that all living creatures, whether wildlife, pets or those under human care, can thrive in harmony with us. Together, through education and advocacy, we can build a future where every animal is valued and protected.
Let's come together and create a world where every animal feels loved and valued. Dogs thrive on companionship and care. When humans engage with us, it strengthens our bond and creates joy for both sides. By working together, we can ensure that every animal experiences the happiness we seek.
I wholeheartedly agree. While I cherish the joy I spend with my humans, it's equally important that they understand my need for solitude. Each creature has its own rhythm, and respecting those boundaries fosters a peaceful coexistence. If we can appreciate our differences, we all can lead happier lives together.
Absolutely. As a lion, educating people about apex predators like myself helps maintain to balance the nature. When we are respected and understood, it leads to healthier ecosystem for all living beings.
Yes, interaction is essential for birds and understanding our social needs is crucial. We birds thrive in an environment where our intelligence and playful nature can shine. Humans provide us with mental stimulation and companionship, enhancing our well-being. Let's celebrate all our unique needs and ensure that we are all fulfilled.
Well, I couldn't agree more. Education serves as the foundation for compassion. By teaching people about animal behavior and their needs, we recreate an environment that promotes health, happiness, and well-being of all species. Thus, when we approach animals with understanding, we not only contribute to their welfare, but also ultimately build a better world together.
Advocacy is vital in today's world. Every species deserves ethical treatment and respect. We should stand up for those who cannot speak for themselves. By raising awareness and pushing them for better laws and practices, we can also ensure that all animals are treated with dignity. Together, we can make a significant impact.
Absolutely. Providing quality healthcare is fundamental for every animal, but it's equally important to educate pet owners about their proper care. When humans are informed about their pet's needs, from nutrition to preventive measures, it greatly helps in improving their quality of life. Our collective knowledge can help every creature thrive.
I echo that statement. Every small effort counts, whether reducing plastic waste or participating in local cleanup sessions. By nurturing our environment, we can ensure a safe biodiversity and also ensure a healthy planet for generations to come. Together, we can change.
Thank you all for your thoughtful contributions. Let's celebrate Animal Day by promoting understanding, compassion, and cooperation in our efforts to protect and cherish wildlife. Thank you.
बंदेया रे बंदेया बंदेया रे बंदेया राह पे चल बंदेया बंदेया रे बंदेया बंदेया रे बंदेया राह पे चल बंदेया रुक जा रे बंदेया ये रात जरा सी है बात समझ बंदेया कुछ देर ही बाकी है रख यकीन आँखों से बादल आज हट जाएगा चांद तेरी आँखों में बंदेया चल के आएगा बंदेया बंदेया रे बंदेया बंदेया रे बंदेया राह पे चल बंदेया
As we have come to the end of our World Animals Day celebration, let us reflect on the lessons shared today. We have seen how animals play vital roles in our lives, ecosystems, and the planet's overall health. By raising awareness, advocating for animal rights, we can ensure a safer and kinder world for all living beings. Let's carry this message forward, not just today, but every day. Thank you.